Most people ignore the humble rack shelf until their expensive gear starts sagging or overheating. But this heavy-duty slab of steel might just be the most important part of a clean setup. When looking at the LogiLink SF2C45B, it is easy to see why it stands out in a crowded market of flimsy alternatives. This is a 2-unit high shelf designed specifically for 19-inch stand-mounted server cabinets, and it brings a level of sturdiness that is immediately noticeable the moment it is pulled out of the box. Constructed from 1.2mm alloy steel, it feels incredibly rigid and ready to handle some serious weight. Speaking of weight, it boasts a static load capacity of up to 25 kilograms. That is a massive amount of headroom for non-rack mountable hardware like heavy battery backups, small form factor PCs, or even a cluster of networking switches. The dimensions are generous at 483 by 406 millimeters, but users need to keep in mind that it requires a cabinet with a minimum depth of 550 millimeters to fit properly. One of the best design choices here is the inclusion of ventilation slits across the base. In a cramped server environment, airflow is everything, and these slits ensure that heat does not get trapped under the equipment, which is a common failure point for cheaper, solid shelves. The finish is a sleek RAL 9005 black, which gives it a professional, stealthy look that blends perfectly into any modern data center or home lab setup. It mounts directly to the front 19-inch profile, making installation straightforward and quick. There is a certain peace of mind that comes with knowing the hardware is sitting on something this over-engineered. It does not just hold equipment, it organizes it with a sense of permanence and reliability. For anyone tired of cluttered cabinets and sagging shelves, this is a rock-solid solution that delivers exactly what it promises without any unnecessary fluff. It is a heavy-duty, well-ventilated, and aesthetically pleasing foundation for any serious rack build.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.